Let's go.
Oh boy.
So
The
things
trip-
about to go down.
He's going down. Oh shoot, I gotta get my
First stop, Louisville, Kentucky.
Next stop, Las Vegas, baby.
Had to make a pit stop at Quill's. Christian got his.
Nothing.
But Christian liked the drink, so it's a plus. That's a win for us, okay? Good trip so far.
Made it to the Louisville airport. The Louisville airport. We're here.
Louisville Airport.
Louisville?
Louisville.
We made it. Yeah, we're here. We're here at the Louisville airport. I'm about to go faster than the speed of sound on these moving sidewalks. Let's see how fast Johnny can run. All right, so our flight just got delayed. We found out.
To next year.
Yeah, basically. We're not leaving till 10:30 now. And that's 10:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're gonna be getting in Vegas. We'll still get in Vegas decent time.
Like 11.
But 11 Vegas time, that is. So now we gotta find out what we're gonna do in the airport for a couple hours, 2 hours. Was it worth $7?
Actually, it's pretty far.
Hey, I'm gonna get me one.
It's gonna be 4 out of 12.
For airport ice cream, it's delicious.
And the crazy thing is, it's airport frozen yogurt,
It makes it even better.
which is crazy. Curveball.
We made it. We're gonna get this trip done. Our hotel's probably doesn't exist or it's closed, but I'm excited to see what happens. We might be sleeping in the car tonight.
Well, at least we're not sleeping with the fishes.
Currently 11:38 Vegas time, but
Probably go gamble a little bit.
we're gonna go blow all our life savings.
This is nuts, guys. We're in Vegas. We're gonna go get our car, then try to go to a hotel that hopefully exists. We think it does. It's like a 90-10 thing.
It is 2 o'clock my time, 3 o'clock their time.
12:37 here.
Yes, and we're trying to make back to our hotel. We still got like an hour and a half until we get to our hotel in Utah. But we had to stop at In-N-Out because I'm starved. And airplane food's too expensive.
Yes, it was $4 for M&M's. So.
We made it to the hotel. We're exhausted, so we're gonna get some sleep and then wake up as early as possible to get to Zion.
So we are here at Zion National Park at the entrance. Tried to chance it and see if we could park inside the park.
Not a chance.
No parking spots, ever. Seth was right. So we parked back there, just a little bit of walk, taking a shuttle into it. Gonna see what hikes we wanna do today. Hopefully, some good views. It's great weather right now. I'm sure it's gonna get hotter, but right now, it's great. We're getting some ice cream, some refreshers, just to get some energy. We're gonna go to Angel's Landing, which is gonna be insane. It's called Angel's Landing for a reason. I'm not gonna tell you the reason until later. You'll see.
If you ever find yourself in Zion, one of the things you definitely have to do Angel's Landing, and it is a strenuous walk, strenuous hike. I'll say that. It's definitely gonna take you like, how long did it take us? About 2 hours? It'll take you about 2 hours, but it is worth it. So don't stop. Make it all the way to the top,
If you're scared of heights, might not be the hike for you. But if you're a little scared of heights, I would still try it and conquer your fears, because the view is definitely worth it. One of the best views I've ever seen. It's crazy. Hey, best thing I've ever done in a national park. This is awesome.
Update. We survived the Angel's Landing. Time to eat some food.
Eat that Thai food.
Thai food, baby. Ooh, that's kind of good.
Hey, but here's the deal. We are beat. When I say beat, I'm talking my whole body hurts.
Yeah. Now my eyes have been bloodshot red.
I need some Advil.
We need more of this.
Ibuprofen. Water. Sleep.
It's a crazy morning here in Zion National Park.
Not there yet.
But we're going to hike the Narrows. Pretty pumped. Hopefully we get there first, get a good spot, and get in there and get some exclusive videos and pictures of our venture.
We are here in the Narrows. As you see, it's a trail through the river, all the way up to whatever's at the end. Yep. Waterproof socks, hiking sticks.
The boots instantly get filled up with water, but
Yep.
the socks actually the key point to keep out the water.
But
So,
it's July and the water feels amazing.
Last day, trying to recover. My vitamin water. It's very healthy and refreshing, filled with antioxidants and vitamins.
Squirts. I can't move. I'm hurting. Help.
Let's go! All
right, next stop.
Cracker Barrel.
Cracker Barrel. Hey, marking another Cracker Barrel off the list. I've never ate one in Utah. It's a dream come true.
Hopefully, it's a great day.
All right, last day, best day. All right, we've been joking about. So we're a Spirits, first class.
They bring me Spirits.
The seats are a lot bigger. We've been joking about paying an extra $100 to get those
per person.
but we're cheap and we didn't want to. And all of a sudden, Red sent us our tickets, and I said, "Dude, I think we're in first class." And they're like, "No, he checked it. We're sitting up front,
baby,
for free." Praise the Lord. Just made it to Hoover Dam.
It is 12:12 Las Vegas time. It's about 1,000 degrees out here, but it's okay. My water's about to boil. Hoover Dam, actually. Hoover Dam is actually named after Herbert Clark Hoover, who was the 31st president of these United States.
Fun fact, I just found out President Hoover's first name was Herbert. Did not know that.
It's kind of famous. Yeah. There's a guy over here. There should be another. Let's go. Thanks, man. We're gonna blow our money.
What's going on? Just saw Black Widow.
Just got done watching Black Widow.
Black Widow.
She dies. Oh, we knew that already. We're just kidding. But it was good. Good movie. Good. There's a cutscene at the end, so check it out. All right, guys. We're leaving.
We're leaving.
It's almost over. Our flight got delayed 30 minutes, so
So now we're leaving at
it is
12.
what it is, man. But see what happens. We'll see you soon, Kentucky. So as you can see from our expression, we're supposed to leave in 10 minutes, which is 30 minutes away.
I'm so tired.
So they haven't mentioned anything about our gate. Here it is. 8:14. It's supposed to leave in 10 minutes, and no one's on the plane yet. And the doors are closed. So we're probably never leaving Las Vegas.
Moving from Louisville to Campbellsville. The time is 7:45. Barely asleep.
We made it.
The humidity is really good, but it's okay. Okay, let's go.
It's good to be back, Kentucky.